I want to film a quick video about an app that I found called Carro Collaborative Commerce. So it really is just an app that it's more of like a drop shipping app, but one company that used it was BlendJet. So BlendJet is this portable blender company. So previously they were really only just selling blenders, and when you sell blenders, uh, you can sell a blender one time, but then after it might be tougher to get future purchases. And so your lifetime value is kind of dependent on people buying more blenders. But what they did was they implemented Caro and started selling complementary products on their site. So what's a complementary product? A complementary product is, let's say you have this blender here, and you know that if somebody is purchasing a blender, they're going to be making some sort of smoothie or some recipes, right? So you probably want to sell them protein powder. But the issue is that if you're selling them protein powder, now you are in a different business. Now you have to source the protein powder, you have to store the protein powder, you have to, do everything that's outside of your main focus, which is selling blenders. But if you just install Caro, you can actually start selling other products from other brands directly on your store, and therefore increase your average order value and increase your lifetime value. So that's pretty interesting because it's basically super hands off. They do everything, meaning your partner, so let's say a protein partner, protein powder company is your partner, and they'll send the products to your customers. That relieves a lot of heavy lifting, and it looks like BlendJet might not be using Caro anymore because it looks like now they are selling their own branded Jetpack protein mixes or some sort of mix. Yeah, so a smoothie mix. So it seems like also Caro is a great way to try to figure out what other products you can start to add to the mix as well. So this is a great app to add on. Seems like people enjoy using it. BlendJet is a huge company and making multiple millions a month. So something that's, especially if you're looking to increase the number of SKUs and want to test it out without having to go straight into sourcing, this could be a good opportunity for you. If you have any questions or any comments, feel free to leave it down below and I'll respond to you.